Now let's learn how to create coupons. So coupons are specific discounts that you want to give, maybe for an abandoned cart user or whatever marketing campaigns you are running. You can run it based on coupons. How do you create coupons? So you have a separate tab for coupons. You can create a new coupon by clicking on this coupon name. So let's say you have a Black Friday deal, Black Friday. You can generate a coupon code, so you can either manually give a black maybe 100 as a coupon code, or you can generate a coupon code. Coupon type, percentage coupon or a fixed price coupon. Let's say percentage, you want to give a 20% discount. A start date, the end date, the start time. Limit the number of times the coupon can be redeemed. Limit this coupon to selected products offers. Limit to 1 use per customer, and also apply to recurring future payments if applicable. So these are the different settings that you can use to set up, and once done you can hit on create and it creates. So that's how you create a coupon on your payments tab using the payments tab.